So hey there, so we're working away doing up this little aftermarket audio package on the 2013 Genesis. So a couple little things that I've noticed as far as when we're doing the dash removal. So just some things. So I'm doing the video at the same time, so we're kind of doing, which is great. So again, I'll leave that little link down below. He goes through everything. A couple little quirks though. So on my Genesis, because we've got the wood grain to it, for whatever reason, on the actual odometer of the housing, there are three little clips that are sunk into the actual bezel around the outer edge. So when you go to yank this off, you run the risk, because the bezel's a little Lexan, so it's clear plastic, you can actually break one of these little clips. Now, not a big deal, there's three of them there. I'm going to glue this one back in place. It's one of those things that if you're pulling this apart and it's the wood grain dashboard, I don't know if the standard one or the other one is different. It doesn't even have that in the video. So it's one of those things to watch for. If you're going to be prying this out, you want to pry it out from the center. Again, to get these three clips internally from the odometer away. So that's just one of those little things I noticed. So I thought I'd just do a quick little update there. Beyond that, other than the fact that for whatever reason, Hyundai has also not just put fasteners in this particular car, but they've also put contact glue on a few things. So when you're trying to remove stuff, I'm finding that there's an adhesive quality attached to it that you have to pry loose before you can actually pry the panel off. So just watch for that. That may just be on this particular model. It may be that maybe someone's already been into this, and it's got some fingerprints here and there. So it kind of shows that maybe perhaps someone has already been into this dashboard. Okay, so thank you very much. Appreciate you checking out the videos. Have a great day.